In the modern business landscape, the phrase running payroll has evolved from a simple accounting task into a comprehensive strategy for employee retention and operational efficiency. At the center of this evolution is Gusto. Originally a disruptor in the space, Gusto has matured into a full-scale people operations platform that serves hundreds of thousands of small to medium-sized businesses across the United States. As we move through the year, the stakes of business owners are higher than ever. Tax laws are shifting, remote work is the norm, and top-tier talent expect more than just a paycheck. They expect financial wellness and a professional digital experience. When people talk about Gusto today, they aren't just talking about a software tool. They're talking about a partner that automates the most stressful part of being an employer. In this video, we'll explore why Gusto remains the benchmark for the industry and how it can transform your back office operations. Also, if you want to try Gusto Payroll yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description and get $100 of gift card sent to you once you run your first payroll. Gusto's rise to dominance wasn't an accident. It was built on the premise that traditional payroll systems were intentionally refusing to keep business owners dependent on expensive consultants. Gusto flipped the script by creating a user interface that is actually a pleasure to use. The platform has integrated advanced AI and global capabilities that make it more powerful than ever. At its core, Gusto is a full-service payroll provider. This means it doesn't just calculate your taxes, it actually pays them on your behalf. Whether it's a federal, state, or local tax, Gusto handles these filings and payments. This includes advanced compliance tracking for local city taxes, which can be a nightmare for businesses with remote employees scattered across different municipalities. The autopilot feature remains a fan favorite. If you have a team of salaried employees whose pay doesn't change, you can set Gusto to run payroll automatically. The system will pull the funds, calculate the deductions, and deposit the money into your employee's bank account without you even having to log in. This set and forget mentality is what allows founders to focus on product market fit rather than tax forms. To truly understand Gusto, you have to look at the hidden features that actually solve the everyday headaches of business management. So let's look at a few. The onboarding revolution. Hiring a new employee involves more than just a handshake. You need offer letters, W-4s, I-9s, and bank information. Gusto's digital onboarding allows you to send a link to your new hire. They complete their paperwork on their own time, sign documents electronically, and enter their bank details. By the time they show up for their first day, even if it's over Zoom, they are already set up in your system. And then you have the benefits administration as a competitive edge. Small businesses often struggle to compete with corporate giants when it comes to benefits. Gusto levels the playing field. As a licensed broker in all 50 states, Gusto allows you to offer medical, dental, vision, where you get to choose medical, dental, and vision, where you get to choose from top-tier carriers and set your own budget. 401k and 529 plans. You have automated retirement and college saving plans that synchronize directly with payroll. Workers' comp. Then you have the workers' comp, a pay-as-you-go model that prevents those massive unexpected year-end audit bills. And one more feature we'd like to talk about is the financial wellness with Gusto Wallet. The Gusto Wallet app is a standalone financial tool for your team. It includes a high-yield savings account and a Gusto cash-out feature. If an employee has a sudden car repair, they can access a portion of their earned wages before payday for free. This is a massive retention tool that costs the employer nothing but provides a huge safety net for the staff. And now I'd like to talk about the pricing. Which plan fits your stage? One of the most frequent things people talk about is Gusto's pricing. They have refined these tiers to be more modular, allowing you to pay only for what you need. You have the simple plan at $49 per month plus $6 per person. This is best for local businesses with a small team in one state. It covers the essentials: full service payroll, tax filings, and basic hiring tools. And then you have the Plus plan at $80 per month plus $12 per person. This is the most popular choice. This is for businesses with remote employees across different states. It adds next day direct deposit, advanced time tracking, and project costing tools. And then you have the premium plan. This is great for businesses that need a pro HR department. It includes a dedicated account manager and access to certified HR experts to help with complex employee relations or legal handbooks. There is also the contractor only plan, and this goes for $35 per month. It's currently free for the first month plus the $6 per person. This is perfect for the gig economy. If you only work with freelancers, this plan handles the payments and year-end filings at a lower cost. At this point, we'd like to remind you that if you want to try Gusto Payroll yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description and get $100 in gift card sent to you once you pay your first payroll. The biggest news for Gusto users is the expansion into global contractor payments. You can now pay contractors in over 120 countries directly through the Gusto dashboard. While Gusto isn't the full employer of record like Rippling or Deal for full-time international staff, its contractor tool is seamless. It handles the W-8BN forms and ensures you're paying in the contractor's local currency while keeping your reporting centralized. This is a game changer for agencies and tech startups looking to tap into the global talent pool. Gusto has also introduced its AI advisory tools this year. The platform can now look at your payroll history and predict your cash flow needs for the next quarter. It can even alert you if your compensation packages are falling behind industry standards for your specific region, helping you stay competitive in the war for talent. No review is complete without looking at the downsides. So let's start with the cost gap. For a company that only has 1099 contractors, Gusto is affordable. However, as you move to W2 employees, the $12 per person fee on the Plus plan can easily add up if you have a high turnover hourly workforce. Then you have the support speed. While Gusto has priority for premium users, those on the Simple or Plus plans may experience longer wait times during peak tax seasons. And then you have advanced reporting. If you need high complex custom-coded accounting reports that pull data from 5 different sources, you might find Gusto's built-in reporting a bit templated compared to enterprise softwares like Workday. Now, when people talk about payroll, names like ADP, Rippling, and Paychex will come up. So here's how Gusto stacks up. Gusto versus ADP. ADP is the legacy giant. It's powerful but can feel clunky and hidden with its pricing. Gusto is for the modern owner who wants transparency and a 5-minute setup. Gusto versus Rippling. Rippling is more than just a payroll. It's an IT and HR powerhouse. If you need to manage company laptops and complex software permissions for over 500 people, Rippling is better. If you just want world-class payroll and HR for an SMB, Gusto is the winner. And we have Gusto versus Paychex. Paychex offers a similar feature but often relies on a more traditional sales rep model. Gusto is built for the self-service era. After a decade of leading the market, Gusto remains the gold standard for small business payroll. It successfully navigated the transition from a simple payment app to a sophisticated HR and finance ecosystem. For most business owners, the time saved by automated tax filings and onboarding is worth significantly more than the monthly subscription fee. So whether you're a solo founder or managing a team of 50, Gusto provides the professional infrastructure you need to look like a much larger organization while keeping your administrative work to a minimum. Don't forget that we have the link to Gusto Payroll, where you can use my link down below and get a $100 gift card sent to you once you run your first payroll. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.